Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salim. I'm a naturopathic physician specializing in Islamic medicine and prophetic medicine. I have been in practice for over 45 years. Over the last 45 years or so, I have worked with thousands of patients using a range of complementary modalities such as nutrition, herbal medicine, iridology, counseling, and psychotherapy. What I really find very similar to other practitioners and researchers is that there is a noticeable degeneration of human health on a physical and physiological level. But what really is so alarming that now we see degeneration and dysfunctions of the mind and the emotions, in particular since the COVID-19 happenings. Did you know that 1 in 8 person in the world today is suffering with anxiety and depression? That is almost 1 billion people on the planet. And the trends are showing that really mental emotional illnesses are on the increase. There are many reasons for this unprecedented level of mental and emotional illnesses. In the tradition of Islamic medicine and prophetic medicine, we find timeless wisdom and practices that can help individuals to maintain their emotional and mental well-being, and in many cases through safe natural alternatives one can recover from debilitating conditions such as anxiety and depression. When I published my first book, Islamic Medicine, in 1986, I indicated, because of my work and research, that we're gonna experience increasing mental illnesses at that stage, and unfortunately those predictions have come true. In the tradition of Islamic medicine, prophetic medicine, and Tibb in general, sometimes known as Unani medicine in the South Asian context, the specialization of Ilm-un-Nafsiyat, which is found in Islamic medicine, in prophetic medicine, and in Unani medicine, the knowledge and practices of Ilm-un-Nafsiyat are not very well known. Ilm-un-Nafsiyat, really we could say, is the specialization of preventing mental and emotional diseases and how to maintain mental and emotional well-being. So over the last few years, we've managed to put together an online course which is available to prevent mental and emotional conditions, and in many cases to reverse and manage the conditions like anxiety and depression. So I hope you will be able to benefit from this course for yourself and your loved ones.